Hello dear students and welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes. So today I am going to solve the given quadratic equation problem. So first I'll read the question very carefully. So the question says 64x square minus 16a plus 4b into x plus ab is equal to 0. In the given equation, a and b are positive constants and the sum of the solutions to the given equation is k into 4a plus b, where k is a constant. What is the value of k? Now, we are given 64 x square minus 16a plus 4b x plus ab is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation in x. We know that the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now we compare the given equation with the standard form. So from the comparison we get a is equal to 64, b is equal to minus of 16a plus 4b and c is equal to ab. So now we have identified the values of a, b and c. Now we know that for a quadratic equation, sum of roots is equal to minus b divided by a. Okay, so that is the sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. Now we substitute the values of a and b. So sum of roots is equal to minus 16a plus 4b by 64. Now observe very carefully. There is a negative sign outside and another negative sign inside. So negative multiplied by negative becomes positive. Therefore the sum of roots will be 16a plus 4b by 64. Now simplify the expression. So 16a plus 4b by 64. We can take 4 as common form of to the numerator. So this is 4 into 4a plus b by 64. Now we simplify 4 divided by 64, that is 1 by 16. So therefore sum of root becomes 4a plus b by 16. So we have found that the sum of the solution is 4a plus b divided by 16. Now use the information given in the question. Now according to the question, the sum of the solution is equal to k into 4a plus b. Okay, so we equate both the expressions. So k into 4a plus b equals to 4a plus b by 16. Now notice something important. Both sides contain the term 4a plus b. Since a and b are positive constants, 4a plus b cannot be 0. So we can safely divide both sides by 4a plus b, and after cancelling we get k is equal to 1 by 16. Okay. Now therefore the value of k is equal to 1 by 16. Okay. Now hence the required value of k is 1 by 16. Okay. Now this is the whole solution for this question. Very easy question, I guess. Okay, so see you in the next session with a new question. Till then, keep learning, keep growing with only Dr. Sourav's classes. So bye bye and take care.